Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So I want to apologize for not talking in my last Zodiac video, but we had some technical difficulties. You know how it is, but we're just gonna be moving on because we don't need to dwell on that. But anyways, I'm gonna be continuing to do what I normally do with a makeup look: foundation, concealer, eyebrows, all that jizz, all that jazz and everything like that. So this time we are doing the Libra makeup look. So I'm going to talk a little bit about them and then talk about the rest of the makeup look and everything like that. So Libra, the element is air, the quality is cardinal, colors are green and pink, day is Friday, ruler is Venus, greatest overall compatibility is Aries and Sagittarius. Lucky numbers are 4, 6, 13, 15 and 24, and their date ranges from the 23rd of September till the 22nd of October. Their strengths are cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, fair-minded and social. Their weaknesses are indecisive, voice confrontation, will carry out a grudge, self-pity. Libras like harmony, gentleness, sharing with others, and the outdoors. People born under the sign of Libra are peaceful, fair, and they hate being alone. Partnership is very important for them as they mirror and someone giving them ability to be the mirror themselves. These individuals are fascinated by the balance and symmetry. They are in the constant chase for justice and equality, realizing through life that the only thing that should be truly important to themselves in their own inner core of personality. This is someone who is ready to do nearly anything to avoid conflict, keeping the peace whenever possible. The sign of Libra is an air sign, set between Gemini and Aquarius. Given these individuals constant mental stimulation, strong intellect, and a keener mind, they will be inspired by good books, insurmountable discussions, and people who have a lot to say. Each Libra representative has to be careful when talking to others, for when they are forced to decide about something that is coming their way, or to choose sides, they will suddenly realize that they might be in the wrong place and surrounded by the wrong people. No partner should make them forget they have their own opinion. So that's all about the Libras. As you can see so far in the makeup look, I've done my base, I've done the concrete of this makeup look, and basically what I'm gonna do, because Libra, their star sign is the scales, so basically I'm gonna try incorporate that into the look. So looking at other makeup looks and everything, I've noticed that they like to use the sun and the moon. So basically I thought, why not incorporate this into my eye look? Why not? So basically what I'm doing on this side of my eyes is I'm drawing the sun. I'm just drawing the stems of the sun basically at the moment, and then I'm gonna color them in with yellows and oranges just to make it look more like the sun. And basically what I tend to use for this is the P. Louise Secret Sinner palette, and also the Anastasia Beverly Hill eye primer. Okay, as you can see now, I'm going in with that yellow that I was talking about from the P. Louise Secret Sinner palette, and I'm just packing it onto there just to make it more look like a sun. And then on the inner center of my eyelids, I'm also going in with like a darker orange red, just to make it blend in with the yellow, just to look like it's kind of like a sunset kind of a thing. So yeah. And then on the other eye, I'm going to be drawing the moon. So basically I wanted to kind of draw like the night sky kind of thing on my eye. So basically I've gone in with a blue, and then I kind of fade it out with a purple just to make it fade it out a little bit more, because I don't want to have that harsh line. Like, nobody likes that. That's not cute. So basically, yeah, I've just gone in with the purple, and then I'm just gonna use the Anastasia eye primer just to draw out the moon. I'm not gonna do anything fancy, just, you know, a basic moon. We ain't doing, like, we're not doing the most over here. So just the basic moon. And then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia X Jackie Eyeliner palette, and I'm gonna be using the silver, like, white shimmer from the palette, and I'm gonna be putting that on top of the moon, basically, of where I've drawn the moon, so that it can look like it's glistening in the night sky, basically. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm packing on that pigment on top of the moon, and basically after I finish packing it on, I should go back in with the eye primer. I really shouldn't be using it to create this look. Wait, I should, but the way I'm using it basically is to create like stars in the background kind of a thing. I really should just use like a white paint, but to be honest, the primer was kind of like next to me, and I thought, why not? So you can't even tell anyway. So yeah, but anyways, yeah, so basically I'm using this to just kind of create like a sky, like the stars in the background and everything. But yes. And now I'm gonna go in with this red from this paint palette from Amazon, and basically I'm gonna be using this to create the scales, basically. Yeah, basically, yeah. So I'm just gonna draw the scales and everything on my forehead, kind of connecting it to my eyes so that it looks like it's like balancing the sun and the moon sky, basically. So yeah, I feel like I'm in like one of those weird moons where I'm like, I want to talk, but then I don't want to talk. Then I'm just like, I'm really tired because this took me forever to edit, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So please, if I'm not making any sense, please just ignore it. Just watch the video, just enjoy the video, and just kind of ignore my voice if you want. If you want. But yeah, so I'm like in a very weird mood at the moment. But anyways, yeah, so I'm kind of just drawing the scales, basically. And what I tend to actually also do is I go in with, because I also saw that that Libra is actually associated with like primary colors, so that is red, blue, and yellow. So I thought, why not incorporate it into the look as well? So that's why I've drawn the scales in red, and then basically where the shadow is meant to be, I've gone in with blue, and then where the light is meant to hit the scales, I've kind of gone in with the yellow. So that's why I kind of ended up creating the scales like this. So don't ask me why I did it this way. It's just what I thought in the moment. I did, like, just don't question it, just go with the flow, just go with the flow. But anyways, yeah, so that's what I ended up doing. And of course also use some white paints to kind of highlight the scales, you know, that artist way of highlighting. But yeah, I'm not an artist, so what am I talking about? I'm not an artist also. But yeah, we're just gonna move on from that. Anyways, yeah, I was actually also meant to put the actual Libra sign in the middle of the scales, like on the stem section, but you know, your girl kind of like got ahead of herself, was feeling too much, and completely forgot So we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen, so we're just gonna move on. Anyways, yeah, so now as you can see, I'm doing the blue paint and the yellow paint, and yeah, pretty much everything that I just said, pretty much. But yeah. But yeah, so I've only actually got, I think, 3 Zodiac looks to do before the end of the year, because you know your girl's been doing it as the years have been going, no, as the months have been going by. See, I'm talking nonsense now. But anyways, yeah, your girl's been doing it as the month has been going by, so you know, only got 3 more videos of this Zodiac series. What other series do you guys want to see on my channel? Like, what should I do next? Because I've got like ideas, but then it's like, do you guys want to see that? Like, I'm thinking of doing like a Powerpuff Girls series where, you know, I do a makeup look for each Powerpuff Girl, duh. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. Should I do like a rainbow type of like colors of the rainbows type of series kind of a thing? Should I do like a what's it called, low light series? Like, I know I've seen loads of people do a low light series, makeup series on their Instagram, which is, I think it's quite cool. But should I do one for YouTube? Like, what do you guys want to see? Like, you know, just let me know in the comments down below what you want to see me do, and also like let me know what you want me and Boy to do as well for our Be With Boy series, because not gonna lie, your girl is coming up dry with some ideas, like coming up dry, like dry, like it's a desert here, like it's a desert. But yeah, so if you guys got any suggestions for Being Boy as well, please let me know in the comments, in the comment section. Sorry for me making noises, I'm like trying to get comfortable on this bed. But anyways, yeah, so if you guys have like any ideas or what we should do for Being Boy, or what next makeup series I should do next, make sure you let me know in the comment down below so that I can consider it. And you know, you might see it, or you might not. I don't know. You probably will see it, because you know I'm coming up blank now. At the moment, I'm going through I guess what you would call it if you're a writer's block. So I'm coming up with a YouTuber block. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. So I'm struggling with coming up with ideas for Being Boy. But yeah, I would like to do like a special video for Halloween, because I think Being Boy will land either the day before Halloween or on Halloween. I actually don't know. I haven't actually checked. But yeah, I wanted to do like a special episode, like special video for you guys, but I don't know what to do, because you know your girl is limited. Like, she is limited when it comes to things she can do, because it either costs too much money or I do not have the space to do it. So yeah. So if you got any ideas, make sure you let me know down below. Thank you. Okay, so now we'll be going in with my favorite lashes from the Minx Way, and then I'm also going to be using this mascara lights camera lashes from Tarte Cosmetic. I tend to use it all the time. I do have these new lashes from Benefit, which I want to try, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with this palette from iHeart Revolution called Praline, and basically it's a face palette. It's got contour, it's got 3 different highlights, and it's got like a shimmery blush. It's like the perfect palette for your face, and it's like the contour is like just the perfect like darkness for me. It's not too dark, but it's not too light, so it's just perfect, you know, it's just perfect. But anyway, just gonna highlight every single area. And now I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and basically I'm just gonna highlight my beautiful lips, my highlight, like you know, it's just highlight them because you know that's what I do. Yep. And then I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss from I Heart Revolution as well. I feel like this lip gloss is called like chocolate brownie, or it's not called mocha because I'm pretty sure that's the brown one. Yeah, so I think this one's called chocolate brownie. And then I'm gonna set my face with the fixing spray from Makeup Obsession, and that is pretty much it for the makeup look, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.